Today we are starting with job sequencing problems. This is a fourth unit topic. In this unit we have questions. The question is, there are 5 jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 which need to be processed on 2 machines A and B in the order AB. That is, the first on machine A, then on machine B. The processing time for these jobs on machine A and B is given below. In this sum, first we will arrange the sequences. We will start with job sequencing. We have 5 jobs and we have 2 machines to perform that jobs. First, starting with the sum, it will be to give the sequence to this job. We are having 5 jobs, so I will make 5 columns. Now we need to sequence the job. This means which job is to be done first by which machine. So this is identified by the number of hours given. This is the processing time in hours. It starts with processing time in hours means first job requires 16 hours in machine A. First job requires 6 hours in machine B. This is the way we need to read this. So first, giving the sequence, we will start with minimum number of hours required by the machine. From here I'll write the A, from here I'll write the B. For the entire processing, the minimum number here is 2, that is on third job. So I'll cut this, here it will be third. Then again, for rest of the things, minimum is this 4, which is at second job from B. We are writing B from this side, so here it will come 2. Next minimum is 6, again from B side. Then from B side we will write 1. Next minimum is 8, it is from A side, so from A side we will write 4. And the last one will be 5. This is the sequence of the job. The machines will perform the job in this sequence. Now we have to write the same sequence here. Job, first it will be third, then fourth, fifth, first and second. And we have 2 machines A and B. So we have in, out, in, out. This means this third job, when it is going in machine A, what is the in time, what is the out time? When the same job is done in next machine, what is the in time, what is the out time? These things we need to calculate. In time, पहला काम third job है, तो it will start from 0 time. Here it will be 0 plus. For A at the third machine, my value is 2. So 0 plus 2, it will be 2. Out time of this will be in time of this. This will be 2. This will be 2 plus. For A machine, fourth work. A machine fourth, that is 8. That is 10. This out will be in for next job. 10 plus for A fifth, that is 10. So this will be 20. This out will be in for this 20 plus. For first job at A, the time is 16. So this will be 36. This 36 will repeat here. 36 plus. For A, the second work, that is 8. 36 plus 8 is 44. Now we will come to B machine. The out time of A for the first job will be the in time for this. This same is to be written here for my first job, that is the third one, 2. This will be 2 plus. For B, the third is 10. This is 12. At every next step, we will calculate if this is bigger or this is bigger. यहाँ पे 12 है, यहाँ पे 10 है, we will write 12 here. And this will be 12 plus. For B fourth is 12. So this will be 24. 24 and 20. 24 is greater. 24 will come. 24 plus. For B, 5. that is 14. 24 plus 14 will be 38. 38 is bigger or 36? 38. So this will be 38 plus. B is 1. B is 1 is 6. 38 plus 6 will be 44. This 44 and 44 is same, so here it will be 44. 44 plus B is second is 4. 44 plus 4 is 48. Not necessary these two will always come same. The ideology behind this problem is that for every job it require two machines A and B. ए का काम 2 घंटे में ख़त्म हो रहा है फॉर थर्ड जॉब एंड द सेम वर्क इज स्टार्टेड बाय बी मशीन एंड नाउ इट विल फिनिश एट 12. Here the fourth job is finished by A machine at 10. So this is here the time can be different, but we need to find out what is the greater will be written here. After solving this, we need to write here elapsed time. Elapsed time is 48 hours. The next thing asked is ideal resources, that is ideal time for each machine. Ideal time means मेरा machine कितना time ऐसे ही पड़ा है बिना use किए. Ideal time for machine A, ideal time for machine B. For machine A, my ideal time will be 48 minus 44. That is 4 hours. Okay, why 48 minus 44? Because the work of machine A is completed at 44th hour and machine B work completed at 48 hours. तो 4 घंटे machine A को कोई भी काम नहीं है, it is ideal. And for machine B, what we will write here? 2 minus 0, that is 2 hours. For calculating the ideal hours of machine B, we are subtracting these two values. Why these two values? Because machine A started its work from 0 time and machine B started after 2 hours. That is, after 2 hours its work started. This means this machine was ideal when this machine was working. This is the only thing in this particular topic.